Will my pension actually be enough to live on? In Germany, millions of workers are increasingly asking this simple but terrifying question. Welcome to Newsworm. Today we are diving into Germany's pension crisis and why millions of workers could be forced to rethink retirement. And this isn't a distant problem, waiting decades to unfold. It's already happening. More than 21 million people currently receive pensions in Germany, and a record 755,000 pensioners rely on basic income support because their retirement payments are no longer enough to cover basic living costs. Chancellor Merz triggered a political storm when he warned that Germany's statutory pension may eventually provide only basic security. That comment sparked outrage, but it also exposed a deeper truth. Germany's pension crisis has been building for years. Today's workers are entering the workforce later because they spend more time in education and also face mini jobs, gig work, career breaks, and lower wages. The pension formula doesn't work anymore, and everyone knows it. But that's only part of the pension problem. The pension system operates on a pay-as-you-go model, which means current workers fund the pensions of current retirees. That model worked well when Germany had a younger population and a larger workforce. Today, more people are retiring, people are living longer, and fewer workers are contributing to the system. That imbalance is making pensions increasingly expensive to sustain. There are roughly 33 people of retirement age for every 100 working age Germans. And by 2070, that ratio is projected to rise to 43 retirees for every 100 working age people. That means 2 workers financially supporting every pensioner. And the problem goes beyond retirement payments. When pensions aren't enough, retirees increasingly depend on additional state welfare support. At the same time, Germany is also dealing with rising healthcare costs and growing long-term elderly care expenses. This is why the pension debate has become a much larger debate about the future of Germany's social welfare system. One of the clearest signs that the system is under stress is the rise in elderly poverty. Since 2020, the number of pensioners relying on social assistance has skyrocketed by 32%. For many Germans, retirement is no longer seen as financial security. It is becoming a source of anxiety. So what's the government doing? Germany has already approved an overhaul of private pension savings. Out goes the failed Riester pension scheme that left millions with barely any returns. In comes the new state-subsidized savings account launching in 2027. But that's only one part of a much bigger problem. Germany needs a complete overhaul of its pension system. That's why it appointed a pension commission tasked with designing long-term reforms. The commission hasn't released the final recommendations yet, but officials have made it clear that major reforms are coming and almost every major option is being discussed. That could include raising the retirement age, lowering future pension levels, increasing worker contributions, expanding private retirement savings, or increasing government support. And each option comes with consequences. A recent study by Germany's Hans Buechler Foundation found that raising the retirement age would only slightly reduce contribution rates for younger workers. It also found that cutting pension levels faster would provide only limited financial relief. But both measures would significantly reduce retirement income for future pensioners. Another option is increasing worker contributions. And interestingly, a recent survey found that 3 out of 4 Germans would rather pay higher pension contributions than see social protections weakened. And most rejected raising the retirement age as the solution. So the challenge is enormous, keeping pensions sustainable without overburdening younger workers or pushing retirees deeper into poverty. The decisions Germany makes over the next few months won't just shape retirement for millions of Germans. They could become a blueprint or a warning for aging societies around the world. Because this debate is no longer about pensions alone. It's about whether modern welfare states can survive demographic change.